Look at all those screws. Are you counting them? No, you're just staring blankly. Try not to strip the heads, though I know that's asking a lot for someone like you. Oh, look, a stick. Thread the screw through it. It's not rocket science. It's literally just a hole and a bolt. Don't overthink it. You'll hurt yourself. Yes, you have to line them all up. Yes, it takes patience. I realize patience is a foreign concept to you, but try to keep the grid straight, or it'll look as crooked as your career path. Push the locking piece in. No, not that one. The other one. God, watching you try to identify a simple plastic cylinder is the highlight of my misery. Insert the wooden dowels. If you split the wood, you deserve the frustration. It's a press fit, not a hammer fest. Stop hitting it like a caveman. Grab the Allen key. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey? I'll wait while you Google that. Don't over-tighten, or the whole thing will crumble under the weight of your incompetence. Slide the screen onto the base. It should fit perfectly, but since you built the base, I'm sure it's a total disaster. Just force it until it stays upright, like you in a meeting.